Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Iiyoshi. So this sounds rather sensational, perhaps provocative title, isn't it? So how does MOOC have the university education evolve in Japan? Actually, in this program started actually in 2012, and actually in 2013 we celebrated the first year of a MOOC in Japan. So only within 2 or 3 years, and several hundreds of institutions have joined this program, a MOOC, in the world. So in 2013, actually, Kyoto University joined this program. So, and we started this program in 2013 and 2014. Our program works actually started, and the dissemination started. So how can we actually deepen and also evolve and also enhance the content of the program? We have been committed to that effort. So in that actually meeting, there were some specialists, so I was wondering what we can do and what we should not do. So today and this week, we have got this program, and the president of Kyoto University is delivering a few words of greeting after me. First of all, I would like to express our sincere gratitude to all of you. And actually, Dr. Pu is here. She is from MIT, and she is involved with that educational services as vice president of edX. And we look forward to her presentation very much. After that, so there will be various programs and also the presentations to come. So many people actually started this one. So those people have shown deep interest in this subject, and we have invited many of them. And also 2 in our center are now here. They will discuss the potential for the future and also current status. What data is now being collected and also analyzed, that will be actually given as a subject of their talk. And this is December, towards the end of December. Things are quite hectic, but I don't want to make you feel you have lost your valuable time. I hope that you will fully enjoy today's program.